In these problems, we are composing two functions and then finding a value. So the notation here is a little funny if you haven't seen it before. We've got two functions. U of x is negative 2x plus 1, and w of x is x squared minus 1. And we want to find w of u of 5. You probably know how to find u of 5 or w of 5. You just plug a 5 in for x in that function. What we're going to do, though, to find w of u of 5 is we're going to plug u into w and then plug 5 into that. So let me show you how that works. What I like to do is I like to start with the outside function here. In this case, that's w. And I'm going to write it, but with a parentheses in place of the x. So x squared minus 1. That's my function for w. Now to put u into w, we're going to take all of u and stick it in the parentheses. So minus 2x plus 1. So that is our composed function. This is w of u of x. And to find w of u of 5, we're just going to put a 5 in here now. So negative 2 times 5 plus 1 is quantity squared minus 1. So negative 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 10 plus 1 is negative 9. If you square that, you get 81 minus 1 is 80. Now, what I did is I made the composition first. I composed the two functions. I put one inside the other. You wouldn't have to do that. Another way to do that is just to find u of 5 first. And u of 5, well, negative 2 times 5, that's negative 10 plus 1 is 9. Okay, negative 9. And then take that value and put it in here. Negative 9 squared is 81, minus 1 is 80. I mean, that's what we did here when we evaluated it. So if that way is quicker for you, go ahead and do it. Let's try one more. So I'm going to go ahead and compose the two functions. We want r of q. So r is our outside function. So we've got 4x minus 1. And q is our inside function. So we have negative 4x minus 1. And now we're going to put a value of 2 in here because we want r of q of 2. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, minus 1 is negative 9 times 4. So that's negative 36 minus 1. That's negative 37, I think. Let's double check it by doing it the other way. Let's find q of 2 first. So q of 2, that's negative 4 times 2. That's negative 8 minus 1 is negative 9. And then we'll put that in for x. So that's negative 36 minus 1. Yep, negative 37. So that's a little bit of work with composing functions.